everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm back again with another makeup tutorial. And in this one, I think I already do have this type of look in my channel, but I actually couldn't resist using this palette from Kaleidos Cosmetic, and this is their FUTURISM 3 Astro Pink palette. And this palette is just so stunning. I couldn't resist this one. So the full eye makeup is done using this palette, and they also do have another new palettes coming up, so those are like very beautiful. I highly suggest you guys to check them out. And if you guys do want to see how I created this look, then let's move on with the tutorial. I'm starting off with the primer, and the primer I'm using today is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is a primer plus moisturizer, as I haven't still applied any moisturizer in my face after washing it. I'm going to be using this one today, and personally I love this one because it's so moisturizing, plus it also primes your face. So before applying the foundation now, I am going to be using a color corrector to hide out these dark circles. And for color correcting, I love to use this one, which is from Gurl, and this is the color Fawn. But if you guys want, then you can also use the orange corrector like this one, but I personally don't prefer using an orange corrector. This color is something which is kind of, you know, a wooden peach type of color, so this works perfectly for me, and I am going to be using this one. I'm just going to be beating the concealer underneath my eye. Moving on to the foundation, I'm using the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation from NARS, and this is in the shade Syracuse Medium Deep 1. And also, this is one of my most favorite foundation. Recently, Anastasia Beverly Hills actually came out with a foundation, and I actually find that their packaging is kind of really similar. So let me know if you guys actually want me to try out the Anastasia foundation. I'm also using this beauty sponge, which is new, and I actually love it because this is such a cheap one, but it is so good. Just look at how bouncy it is. It is just so good. This is from Shop Misha, and this is their Awa sponge, and this one is, I guess, the Paw sponge, and it's just too soft. It's just so beautiful, and it's about like $2, so it's really cheap. You guys really need to try this one out. Also, do not forget to drag the foundation in your neck. Now, to highlight the face, I'm using the concealer from Huda Beauty, and this is the Overachiever concealer in the shade Cookie Dough 14N. So I'm done with setting my face and now I am going to be doing my eyebrows off camera, but if you guys do want to see a eyebrow tutorial, then make sure to check out the link right here, and I will be right back after doing my eyebrows and one side of my eye makeup. So let's do the eye makeup, and I'm using this Kaleidos Cosmetic Futurism 3 Astro Pink eyeshadow palette, and this is such a beautiful eyeshadow palette. I'm sure I've done previously this type of eye look, but the colors in this one is just so pretty, and this blue, it's been calling my name, so I couldn't resist doing this eye look. So the names are not attached with the palette, so these are the names, and I'm starting with Stardust, and then I will go in with this one, which is Nebula, and we will also use Cosmos and Neptune. So I'm starting off with the shade Stardust. It might look a little bit warm in the camera, but it is not actually warm. It's quite cool toned, and this is going to be working as my transition color. I love that there is like minimum fallout in this palette. Like, it's absolutely close to zero. Now for the crease color, I'm going in with the shade Nebula. Now I'm taking this Alexian Pearly eyeshadow in the shade Black, and I'm going to be applying this one in my lids as a base. It is very creamy and easy to blend, and it does not dry out very fast, so it gives you the time to work with it. I'm just spreading it in my lid a little bit. You don't need to be precise while doing this one. Just smudge it out. And now with the help of a small blending brush, I'm taking the shade Cosmos and Nebula together for the crease. Then again, simply going back with the shade Nebula. And blending everything out. Now for the lid, I'm taking the shade Neptune, which is a beautiful duochrome. You guys can see that there is like a blue to purple shift, which is absolutely gorgeous. I just love this shade. Now for lining the eyes, I'm using the Tarte Tartiest dual-ended eyeliner. Now for highlighting the brow bone and inner corner, I'm using the shade Light here. Just a tad bit of this eyeshadow is so beaming, it's just so beautiful. For mascara, I'm using the Tarte Tartiest mascara. For the lower lash line, first I'm going to be applying the shade Cosmos, and then I'm going to be blending it out with Nebula. And as you guys can see, I've created a new inner corner, and in that portion I'm going to be applying a silver eyeliner, and then I'm going to be topping it off with the shade Light here. For the inner corner, I'm taking this Inglot gel eyeliner, and this is in the number 92. Now I'm just going to be wearing some eyelashes off camera, and I'm wearing the Farah eyelashes from Huda Beauty. Finally done with the eyes, and now I'm just going to be adding a little bit of bronzing powder. I'm not gonna do any excess contouring because I've already done the Tantour. so I don't need any extra layer of contour, but I'm just going to be using a little bit of bronzer, and this is the W7 bronzer. To get some color back on these cheeks, I'm taking this Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Dazzled. You guys always see me using this product, and this is the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and I always tend to use the cream highlighter first, then I go in with another powder highlighter. But the reason behind this is that this thing is amazing, and you guys can already see that I have hit pan on this one because this actually contains shea butter, and even though I'm already wearing a full face of makeup with powders and everything, it actually doesn't gunk up everything in my face. Like, it doesn't mix up, it just sits beautifully in my skin, and it even makes the texture on this portion of my face look smooth. And when I add the highlighter on top of it, it just like beams so much. So this is kind of like a staple product, so I can't actually stop using this one because I haven't really found any dupe of this one. Yeah, there are other cream highlighters, but nothing can top this one, honestly. Now for the powder highlighter, I'm taking this Nikki Tutorial Ofra highlighter in the shade Everglow, and this actually contains 3 of her shades. These are available individually, but you can also buy the wheel, so you can get all of the colors. But I'm just going to be using the golden shade from here as my highlighter today. For lining my lips today, I'm using the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in the shade Trophy Wife. And for the liquid lipstick, I'm using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Gossip Girl. I don't think I have actually worn this shade in my channel ever. Ooh, it's kind of like really pink. I'm topping this one off with a little bit of Trendsetter because it was a little bit too pink according to my choice. I know a lot of you guys actually don't like when I wear lip gloss, but I'm kind of in my lip gloss phase right now, so I can't control it. A little bit of lip gloss makes everything better. And I think lip gloss looks so good. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one and this was somewhat helpful for you guys, and I will be also adding all the product details in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you're not already following me in my Instagram, then make sure you guys do follow me there. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure you guys do subscribe, and also don't forget to follow me in my Facebook page. And I will be catching you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.